Well, hi, this is Paul. It is May 11th, 2019, Saturday afternoon. I'm just see what's going on with the greater Las Vegas real estate market here. These are the properties that came on the market today. We have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,000 square foot condo here. Nice pool shot. Upstairs unit. Looks like a wood burning fireplace. Interesting. It's on the market for $95,000. Paradise, nice little rental unit there. Okay. Let's see what else is going on here. Okay, we have this high end here, a $6.75 million. 7,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, 6-car garage, pool, spa, wowie kazowie. Looky, looky. Some kind of some kind of a house there around McDonald Ranch Road. McDonald's Highlands there. 2006 built. Okay, then what ended up yesterday, I think we looked at this Pirates Cove. Okay, then yesterday we had the the highest priced $3.7 million single family home. I think I was texting and not paying attention to the video here. Sorry about that. But anyway, here it is, almost $8,000. 8,000 square feet, five bedrooms, 7 baths, 4-car garage. Shouldn't have been doing that. Kind of ignoring my audience here. Oh well. That's the way it goes. So there was a nice house there. Interesting. Okay. Now let's see what's under contract here. 6. That's 10, 11, 710 properties under contract. And what closed yesterday was $355,000 house, 2,500 square feet, 3-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. Oh, looks like a new house. 2018. Cool. Yep. Brand new. What does it say here? Because it was built last year. New. So it's got to be over in Logandale. No wonder. Okay. Didn't notice that out of the area thing there. Okie dokie. Then we have a $609,000 home reported today that closed, single family, 05 built. It's nice. And yesterday, $60,000 out of the area. Judson, $65,000. I think we looked at this one. No, we didn't. Not too bad for a mobile home. Nice piece of property. 6,000 square foot lot. $80,000. Okay. All right. $1.3 million closed yesterday. 195 properties. A nice little pool there. Contemporary. There we go. Alright, well that's that. And I think that's all we have time for today because I was preoccupied doing something else, distracted. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.